Hey guys, this is Tom from Virtual Tours Creator again. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to save one of your tours to your mobile screen so you don't have to log in to your portal every time you want to present it to one of your potential customers or vendors. So all you have to do is log into your to the portal, choose a tour that you want to see, click preview to enter the tour, and down here you see this little symbol. It's a rectangle with an arrow pointing up. All you have to do is click on it to get to the options, and down here if you scroll through to the right, it has an option of add to home screen. All you have to do is click on it. You have to give it a name. You might call it demo, and that's it. You go add, you just got yourself a direct connection to that tour on your home screen, and every time you're gonna go to win a listing, you will just click on that icon and it will take you directly to your tour. Remember to present your tours sideways. That's it for today, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.